In this lesson, we learn how to solve equations that contain fractions. On the screen you see x divided by 4 plus 1/2 equals 3/4. Later in the video, we will solve this equation step by step. The strategy is simple. First, find a common denominator for all the fractions. Second, multiply both sides of the equation by that denominator so every fraction disappears. Third, solve the simpler equation and check the answer. Example number 1. X divided by 3 equals 5. Multiply both sides by 3. That gives x equals 15. Example number 2. X divided by 5 plus 2 equals 6. Move the 2 to the right side. We get x divided by 5 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 5. X equals 20. Example number 3. X divided by 2 minus 1/4 equals 3/4. Move the 1/4 to the right side. We get x divided by 2 equals 3/4 plus 1/4. That becomes 1. Multiply both sides by 2. X equals 2. Now let's solve the main equation. X divided by 4 plus 1/2 equals 3/4. A common denominator is 4. Multiply both sides by 4. We get x plus 2 equals 3. Subtract 2 from both sides. The solution is x equals 1. Let's sum up the key ideas. Use a common denominator to clear fractions. Keep the equation balanced. Solve the new equation using normal steps. Always check your answer by substituting it into the original equation. Here's your challenge. Solve 2x divided by 3 plus 1/2 equals 3/2 and post your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe.